Hello everyone, welcome in Ankita's Tech Tutorials. In this video, you will be learn how to use Chat GPT to create a PowerPoint presentation. So let's start. In Google search, we will type Chat GPT. Click on first link and in this prompt write your topic. My topic is prepare a presentation on computer networking. Now click on this arrow and within second Chat GPT started preparing your presentation. So our presentation is ready. In first slide, title, Understanding Computer Networking. Slide 1 is Introduction. What is computer networking? And here 12th slide is a conclusion and 13th slide is a question and answer. If you want to see more explanation on any topic, then that you can mention again. I want to see this 5th slide, network topologies in briefly. So I will write here elaborate 5th slide and again click on this button. Now see, ChatGPT started explaining 5th slide again. So first I have here 13th slide and after that more explanation on 5th slide. Network topologies, then star topology, burst topology, explanation of all the topologies. We have now big data on computer networking. Now this data I want to convert into PowerPoint presentation. Select, copy, open Microsoft Word, blank document and paste. My data is pasted. I have here 4 pages. If you not require some data, then you can delete from here. For example, these things I not want, then I will delete. Now, some things you have to change, like this is slide 1, slide 2, that is not required. So remove that unwanted things. Okay, this is done. Now go to View tab, click on Outline. And this is the outline view of Microsoft Word. Now, this is a title. So from here level 1, introduction part is not needed. This is level 2. So we have to do these changes here, level 1 and level 2. Means title and subtitle. This part I will keep in the level 2. This title is again level 1. In this, I am going to do here level 1, 2 and 3. This is type of network is the level 1. Star topology is at level 2. And this explanation of star topology will be level 3. So this way also we can do the changes. Now my all formatting is done. Close this outline view and save your file. After closing outline view, we can see our file. See, this is the title and this is subtitle. Now save your file. And close it. Now open PowerPoint. Go to New Slide button and click here Slides from Outline. Choose your file. Insert. And my presentation is inserted. See, this first slide there was no data, that's why first slide is blank. I will cut that, and this is my title and this is a subtitle. In this slide, I took here title for means level 1, level 2, and here this is level 3. So this way we can choose the levels. Now my presentation is ready. I can apply here attractive design. If you want to change font, then that also possible. So this way our presentation is ready. So this way we have made presentation with the help of Chat GPT. If you are facing any problem to make a presentation with Chat GPT, then you can ask me in the comment. And this video is really useful for you, then like, share and subscribe.